Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you a rare and beautiful side of Dubai. And also I show you some pictures and videos of our camp and work site. Dubai is usually known for sunshine and hot weather. But today the scene is completely different. Dark clouds cover the sky, cool windows are blowing and rainwater is flowing on the roads. As you can see, the streets are wet, cars are moving slowly, and water has accumulated in some areas. This kind of weather is unusual for Dubai, and that's what makes it so special. The rain brings a fresh feeling and calm atmosphere to the city. Even with minor waterlogging, life in Dubai continues smoothly. Authorities are working, traffic is managed, and people are enjoying this rare moment. Many residents come out to capture photos and videos because rainy days here don't last long. The rain also reduces the temperature, making the weather pleasant and refreshing. It's a beautiful reminder that nature always has surprise even in a desert. If you are visiting Dubai and get a rainy day, consider yourself lucky. It's a unique experience you won't forget. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you all of you.